Hi guys, bradamckinnon here, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the DeWalt Drywall Finishing Hawk and whether I think it's the best one on the market at the moment. And if we just look at it here, you can see it's a square 13 inch by 13 inch or 330 by 330 millimeter, just with the rounded corners on it. It comes with a patent pending non-stick finish, which just makes it easy to clean and nice to use with your trowels and knives. You can just see here a bit of plaster build up on it, so I'm just going to give it a clean with some water. Very easy to clean. The plaster comes off very easy, so that's a real bonus, keeping your gear clean. It does say it's a corrosion and wear resistant, but you can see just on the top there the non-stick's actually coming off. I've had this for probably 2 years now, and you can see in the middle there how it's sort of wearing away, which is to be expected. I mean, nothing's going to last forever, but you can see how clean that comes up just with a bit of water. And you can also see along the edges there how it's wearing away, just all day, just wiping the knives and the trowels on it. It's going to happen. I feel it doesn't happen as fast as any other Hawks on the market, so I guess that's a bonus there, but I sort of use one side at a time until it sort of gets worn away. It's sort of, see that edge there is still straight, so that's sort of the edge I'll be using next. But the handle comes off. It's a hollow handle, so you can sort of mount it on scaffolding poles if needed. Comes with that soft grip there just for comfort. But I think it is the best Hawk on the market for these reasons, and once this one's sort of worn away too much, I'll be buying another one and I'll be sticking with it. So yep, 10 out of 10 for me. Really love it, really enjoy it, so I think it is the best one on the market at the moment. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.